Party Member for Warringah.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. For the people of Warringah, traffic congestion along the north-south corridor to the city is an ongoing source of angst and frustration. The 2019 Infrastructure Australia report found it to be the 5th most congested road in the morning and the 4th most congested road in the afternoon in Greater Sydney. Many promises have been made at both state and federal level for the last 25 years. But we've been left with an archaic drawbridge built in 1952 that halts traffic numerous times a day and forces traffic from 3 lanes to 1. After decades of community debate and suggestions of a rail link or higher bridge, the Berejiklian State Government finally committed to a tunnel, the Beaches Link Tunnel, in 2017. But let's be clear, we don't want this important infrastructure done cheap and dirty, to quote one local resident. The people of Warringah have waited a long time and deserve a future-focused tunnel built to the highest standard. The long-awaited environmental impact study is currently open for consultation. It's a complex document and significant concerns have been raised by numerous community groups that must be appropriately recognised and acknowledged and addressed by the New South Wales State Government. And I wish to raise 5 central issues. The EIS process itself and the limited time for submissions, consultation on a project of this size and significance must be done in good faith. It must be thorough and not rushed. Great concerns have been raised about the impact during construction on the environment and the community, particularly in the sensitive ecological areas of Manly Dam, the Garigal National Park, and the impact on local waterways such as Burnt Bridge Creek and Middle Harbour. These need to be addressed. The long-term environmental impacts of the project, particularly in regards to the placement of exhaust stacks and their lack of filtration, the New South Wales Government intention to pump unfiltered exhaust pollution into the atmosphere is, I would argue, reminiscent of old policy of pumping sewage into the ocean. We have demanded clean oceans, we must demand clean air. The 4th area of concern is ensuring significant infrastructure project is future-proof and prioritises public transport solutions. And finally, the New South Wales Liberal Government is committed to net zero emissions by 2050. So, accordingly, there must be a requirement for this project to utilise lowest emissions technology available in construction and that there be an offset by carbon sequestration projects. New South Wales Government must ensure that throughout the construction process, methods and building materials and waste management are of the highest environmental standards. The information to date falls short of this. I've written to the Minister and await his reply. We must get this right.